Hello my dear friends and welcome to my YouTube channel The Learning Vibe. So today we are going to learn about one of the important lean tool that is known as Jidoka. So welcome to my channel and let us go ahead and understand what this lean tool means and how we can use this lean tool in manufacturing sector. So let us start the video. So initially, first let us understand the recap of the video. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Jidoka, what are various key elements of Jidoka, that is what is the particular process of Jidoka, what are various tools which are used for Jidoka, what is the benefits as well as challenges and solutions to this lean tool. So let us go ahead my dear friends. So now, first let us understand that what is actually meant by Jidoka. Okay, so my dear friend, actually Jidoka is a Japanese term which means as a automation or automation. Here automation deals with a kind of human touch, means with the kind of a human intelligence. It is a lean tool. It is a lean tool which have the power to make workers or to help the workers to identify and resolve various issues as they arise. So I have already mentioned that it is a Japanese term which in English means that automation, which is a combination, which is a merge of two words, that is autonomous and automation, which means there will be automation in the work environment with the human intelligence, with the kind of human touch in it. So it is a principle implemented in lean manufacturing where machines automatically stop working upon detecting an abnormal condition and operators trying to fix it and prevent the occurrence of this issue in future. It means that we have to design our workstation in such a way, we have to design our environment in such a way that everything in the process will go smooth with the help of automation, where machines will automatically stop. So once there will be any defects occur, any abnormality has occurred, the machine will stop automatically, and the respective employee of that machine will fix out the problem and fix out in such a way that it will eliminate from the root cause and the problem will not ever again occur in future. So in such a way, we have to design the systems, we have to design the organization and the process where there will be touch of automation with human intelligence. This approach enhances. This is a kind of proactive approach. If there will be automatic system in our process, so that initially itself we can understand what are the problems we are going to face, what are the defects that are going to occur, and we can easily help them to reduce at the initial stage itself, and which will ultimately lead us for the good quality as well as efficiency of our process and reduce the waste and the errors of the process. होप आप लोगों को जिडोका का मीनिंग समझ में आया होगा. इट इज अ सिंपल ऑटोमेशन. जिडोका मीन्स ऑटोमेशन इन आवर वर्क एनवायरमेंट. Now the question comes that automatically it should stop the machine. But the question is when to stop the machine. Automatically at what situation the machine should get stopped. So the first is quality issues. If we found that there is any quality issues happen or quality issues happening in a particular process, then the machine should stop automatically. Second, process issue. If there is a possibility that some process has gone wrong because of which the quality will affect, so in this situation the machine should stop automatically. And the third is material supply issue. If we found that the material supply is not correct, material supply is not up to the mark, then in that case also the machine should stop automatically, preventing the occur in the future. So these are some scenarios where the machine should stop automatically. So the issues are, first is quality issue, second is process issue, and third is the material supply issue. Hope आप लोगों को ये समझ में आया हो dear friends. Now, let us quickly understand what is the evolution or how the Jidoka has come into existence. If you will see this picture, you can see that initially in the machine there was manual feeding. Manual feeding was done in the machine, and there was continuously one person to observe the machine, who engaged the machine. So after a particular period of time, some of the automation has been done, where feeding is done automatically. From the back end of the machine, the feeding is done, and only the person is there to check the defects, to check the abnormality. Even after that, the automation, the research and development has been done, and now there is no need of human itself. We can have an alarm system, we can have a detection system where if any quality issue, if any abnormality has happened, it will automatically detect, and even it will remove the pieces out. What is the defected pieces is there, it will remove out from the process. So in this way, the evolution of Jidoka has happened. See, it is very simple. Jidoka is nothing but go for automation. Always try to systemize the process digitally, because now and we are moving towards digitization. So everyone is looking for digitization and automation. So this is the simple evolution, how automation is taking place and how we can use it in our industry. Now next, let us understand the key elements of Jidoka. Key elements are nothing but the process of Jidoka, how we have to implement the Jidoka. So the first step is detecting abnormalities. First we have to detect what are the abnormalities or what are the defects that are being occurring again and again. Then we have to stop the production. First is detection. Once machine has detected the abnormality, it should stop it, because there is no sense of going ahead if the abnormalities are being produced. So machine should be capable enough to stop the production at right stage itself. Then it should take the corrective action, whether to accept the goods or reject the goods. That kind of mechanism should also be available or fixed in the machine. And at last, after taking the action, it should take the preventing recurrence. Means we should take the preventive measure from which the same defects or the same abnormality will not occur in future. So my dear friends, the simple steps or the tools for implementation of Jidoka is: first is detection, second is stop of production, third is taking action, and fourth is preventing the recurrence, preventing the occurrence of the scenario. Hope आप लोगों को ये समझ में आया हो friend. Now let us understand what are the tools of Jidoka. What are the tools, various tools which are used for Jidoka. The first tool is add-on system. So जैसे कि मैंने आपको previous slide में बताया था कि हम कोई तो हम डिटेक्शन मोड लगा सकते हैं, डिटेक्शन सिस्टम लगा सकते हैं, जिससे ऑटोमेटिकली डिफेक्ट्स एंड एब्नॉर्मेलिटी हाईलाइट्स होंगे. तो उसी का एक पार्ट है एड ऑन. माय डियर फ्रेंड, जो मेरे चैनल पे नए यूजर्स हैं, नए सब्सक्राइबर हैं, उनको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने इसके ऊपर बहुत डिटेल वीडियो ऑलरेडी बनाया है, जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन वीडियो में भी दे दूंगा. आप वहाँ से जाके ये पूरा वीडियो एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. एंड इज नथिंग बट द इंडिकेशन ऑफ द एब्नॉर्मेलिटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइट. Second tool which we can use is add-on cord. Add-on cord is nothing but here on every workstation there will be a cord upside where the operator can raise the cord and highlight the abnormality to all over subfloor. Third is पोकायोके पे भी मैंने बहुत एक डिटेल वीडियो बनाया है माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. इसका भी लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन वीडियो में भेजूंगा. आप वहाँ से पूरा डिटेल में ये पोकायोके का मीनिंग समझ सकते हैं. और सिंपली बोलूँ तो पोकायोके इज नथिंग बट वी हैव टू डेवलप द प्रोसेस इन सच अ वे दैट बाय मिस्टेक also mistake will not happen. Okay, if you see the example socket, because if the size of sockets are both same, then we can put the socket wrong direction also. But if the size are different, then we will put the socket in proper size only. And last tool is a fixed position stop. Here also at the production line, there will be particular stop area where the goods are being detected for quality, and if any problem is there, it will be highlighted automatically. So these are some of the simple tools which are used for the detection or for the prevention of the problems again in the future. And non called OHIOK and fixed position stop. Now let us understand what are the benefits of Jidoka. The simple benefits are it will highlight all the defects very clearly. Because of that, we can reduce the number of defects occurring in future. We can improve our productivity, improve our efficiency. It will have very good employee morale, employee engagement, as well as it will highly affect into cost saving from cost point of view. So these are the simple benefits from the Jidoka tool. Now let us understand what are different challenges and solutions for this tool. As we know that for changing anything, the biggest challenge is resistance of people to change, the tendency of people to change. So this may be one of the important challenges that one has to face, that is challenge of resistance as well as management. But this can be overcome with the help of proper training, communication and collaboration with all the departments. So that's all guys for today. Hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, आप लोगों को समझ में आया हो Jidoka lead tool and how we can use it in our manufacturing sector. So that's all. आज के लिए इतना ही. तब तक keep learning and like, follow and subscribe to my channel The Learning Vibe. और मैं मिलता हूँ आपको मेरे नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज में. थैंक यू.